Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So finally, guys, a quick update from Accenture's end about the second phase of hiring. I mean, this is the email which yesterday people started getting about see you soon at Accenture. So this is an update basically when your onboarding is going to happen. So this is an idea. So basically, we'll start from here. This is important. Here are the details for your onboarding. So we have started your onboarding process. I mean, they have already started it, and the next onboarding is scheduled in November end. So guys, do not panic. I mean, don't worry. They have already started the onboarding process. You'll get emails soon about the joining and your location and everything. So November end they are saying, because you also understand there are a lot of festivals going on, and after that they might do the onboarding. So a complete onboarding. Our onboarding process will staggered across another 2 to 3 months. So I mean, they would be, so you understand that not all the candidates or all the students will be, their onboarding will start in November end, but yes, they will be doing in phases. This makes sense because it is going to take another 2 to 3 months approximately for the completion of the onboarding process. You will be receiving emails 2 week prior to your scheduled onboarding date. You'll get before 2 weeks. Please look at your communication from Accenture. So keep on checking your emails, keep on regularly, so that you get to know the updates. And just in case, guys, you have any doubt query, you can just email them, and you can raise a ticket, like you all know from the your portal itself. But yes, they do reply within like 3 4 days, or maybe it can like extend, because it does take time. So yeah, don't worry, and yeah, see you soon in Accenture. So also, people who did not receive any such this kind of email, so don't worry. I mean, wait for their onboarding process. It is going to take time. Even in the OA Connect, which happened this last week in I think October itself, approximately in 21st or 20th, I don't remember, the OA Connect happened. So in that also they told the same things about the joining, that why it is getting delayed, or when it will happen, the onboarding and everything. So yes, wait for the email, wait for the joining and everything. So also, guys, make sure that you check your emails and let your friends also know about the update. In case you have any doubt query, let me know in the comment section. And yes, do not forget to subscribe for the latest updates, guys. Have a great day. Be safe.